Every day when we go to work, we're in a battle for relevance, in a world of information overload. If you were in traditional industrial manufacturing sales, there was a very linear process that you followed. You found somebody that had decided they had a problem, and they went to Thomas Register and they found 3 companies, they summoned them in, they got quotes, they made a decision, they implemented it. It's not like that anymore. The thing about it is it all comes down to insights. The one thing that separates laggards from leaders in the digital age is their ability to glean insight from information. Many companies are still stuck, focused on the traditional way of marketing and selling, just pushing the same information out, trying to differentiate themselves with some feature or some benefit. But that's not what business decision makers are interested in. The only way to create key insights is to know our buyer's business. That's the art of what we do. And at the intersection of the science and the art is the magic. The magic is that we pay it forward with our insights that help buyers before they're buyers. And that's how our team earns sales calls. Those of you sitting here today, those with the responsibility to manage and lead organizations, this isn't just some small mind shift, because this means changing the way your marketing people think, your sales people think, your customer service people think. It means changing the way you think, and it means reflecting that change every day in every meeting you have, in every conversation. Mark Benioff realized that the issue with CRM wasn't features and benefits. He had the idea that people could pay month to month. That was his insight. Now we know, of course, what happened. Salesforce.com sales have grown. It's going to be $60 billion in revenue this year. Making it easier for buyers is often more important than making the product or service better. And if you can move beyond information that's depreciating in this age of disruption, and instead focus on the appreciating value of insight, you'll move yourself 1 or 2 standard deviations to the right. You'll position your business well for success. So each of us has an opportunity to take the changes happening around us, embrace it in the way that's appropriate for our business, and grow our business proactively.